Hi, I'm Zul and I'm in charge of property insurance here at Perinsuran Brokar. We have extensive experience covering a wide range of properties ranging from buildings, permanent fixtures, machinery and stock which are kept on premises. Today, I will talk about property insurance for property management companies, property owners, factories, hospitals, shopping malls and so on and so forth. As your broker, we make sure that you are adequately covered, and when there is a claim, we are there for you to ensure that financially you get what you are entitled to and your rights are protected throughout the process. Key insurance policies that your company should strongly consider are as follows: fire and perils, business interruption, burglary or theft, and public liability insurance. In the event of a fire to your building, contents or stock, the fire and peril policy help you cover losses on the physical damages of the building and its contents. Are you aware that this fire policy can be extended to cover additional perils such as flood, storm tempest, strike, riot and civil commotion, bursting or overflowing of the water tanks and apparatus? All these can be covered at just minimum additional premium. The business interruption policy comes into play when you have a fire-related claim. If a fire occurs, causing damages to your property, you can be out of business for 6 months or more. You can insure your income by taking up business interruption insurance and base your coverage on your annual revenue or gross profit with an indemnity period ranging from 6 to 72 months. In the case of a break-in, your burglary or theft policy will be triggered, and as your broker, we will assist you to negotiate with the loss adjuster who works for the insurance companies, and we will ensure your claims are paid promptly. Lastly, for the public liability policy, this protects businesses against claims made by third party for bodily injury and property damage. Let us use an example of a property management company managing a block of a residential tower. One of their lift malfunctioned, leading to a slight injury to one of the visitors to the building, affecting him both physically and mentally, and subsequently he decided to sue the management company. Their public liability policy was triggered, and the cost of the legal defense as well as the compensations to the aggrieved party was paid out of their policy. Their public liability policy was triggered, and the cost of the legal defense as well as the compensations to the aggrieved party was paid out of their policy. As you can see, by appointing us as your insurance broker, you can focus on doing what you do best, running your business. If you are keen to know more, please contact me at Zulmaidi@perinsuranbroker.com or visit our website at www.perinsuranbroker.com. Thank you.